Welcome to part 2 of solving Rubik's Cube in under 90 seconds series. At this point of time, you should have a solved white cross. If you don't, refer back to the previous video, which will be linked in the description below. By the end of this video, your cube should look like this. The remaining 4 corners will be solved, which will solve the entire first layer. To begin with, flip your cube upside down so that the white cross is at the bottom. This may feel weird, but will make solving the rest of the cube much simpler. Now that the cross is at the bottom, we need to learn a simple 4-move algorithm, which goes as follows. Lift the right up, move the top to the left, bring the right down, and move the top to the right. Again, lift the right up, move the top to the left, bring the right down, and move the top to the right. Up, left, down, right. Repeat these 4 moves until they are fairly stuck in your head. This simple 4-move algorithm is all you need to solve the corners. For simplicity, I want to call this algorithm the righty. When solving the corners, the first thing we need to do is look in this top layer for a corner piece which has white. In this case, I have this white corner piece, white, green, and red. Currently, this corner piece is in between orange and blue. We need to turn the top until this corner piece is in between its correct centerpieces, which is green and red. Now that the corner is in between its correct centerpieces, hold this corner piece so it is on your top right-hand side of the cube. Once you have turned your cube so the corner is on your top right, perform the righty algorithm until the corner is solved. You may have to perform the algorithms a few more times for the corner to be solved. After 3 attempts, we can see that the corner has been solved. Now we have to rinse and repeat this process for the rest of the 3 corners. When finding a corner piece, it can either be in the top face or its surrounding edges. In this case, we have this white, red, blue corner piece, which is already in between the blue and red centerpieces. So we have to hold the corner on the top right, perform the righty algorithm, 1, 2, 3, 4, and it solves the corner. Solving the corners is 4 steps. Step 1 is finding the corner in the top layer. Second step is moving it in between the correct centerpieces. Third is holding the corner on the top right hand side. And last but not least is performing the righty algorithm. Until the piece is solved. In some cases you'll find that there's a corner piece that needs to be solved, however the piece is not anywhere to be seen in the top layer. In this case, the corner piece that we have to solve is in the bottom layer. To get around this, we have to bring it to the top layer. To do this, hold the corner piece so it's on the bottom right hand side and perform the righty algorithm. By doing so, it brings the corner to the top layer where we can continue as normal. And just like that, you have solved the entire first layer, and you are halfway done in solving the entire Rubik's Cube. Till then, practice and stay tuned for part 3, where you will learn how to solve the second layer.